What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Sage. I am back in the building. I know I've been a while. I've been away, but this is the new me. This is the new me. So, what's up? I just wanted to say thank you, y'all, for helping me in every way. I know I haven't been on YouTube. I haven't been on YouTube for a while, but I just wanted to say thank you to all my fans. Y'all have been so great for me. I'm going to keep up the good work. I'm not done yet, but I lost a lot of pounds. Yes, I did, and I'm happy. You can see the results. I've been drinking water. I haven't been eating a lot of meat. I'm just being real with you. I've been doing what I'm doing, exercise and taking my diet pills and stuff like that. And I see it's helping me. It's doing great. So what I'm going to do is keep up the good work, and I'm going to keep y'all updated so y'all can see the new results and new me. So get on YouTube, look me up, and you can see this. I'm going to put this on there before you go through, and I hope y'all get it. And I want to say thank you to all my fans on YouTube and Twitter and what else. Thank you for helping me get this far and for basically doing what it is. So I'm your host, Sage, and I holla at y'all. Mwah. Love you.